Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing really well. I've got something really exciting to show you because the brand new Christmas cookbook has arrived. So this is my sample copy for me to obviously check through it, make sure that I'm happy with everything before we finish the pre-orders. Now the pre-order deadline is actually now going to be the 10th of November. So we hadn't set a date before, but you need to get your order in by the 10th of November to get that special price and also to guarantee your copy. When we place the order for the books, we're going to order a few more, but it's really going to be very, very limited. So if you want a copy of my Christmas Ninja Foodi recipes, then you need to make sure that you get over onto my website to get a copy. That is www.susannaskitchen.uk. So I've posted things about the book before, but as you can see, it is actually a landscape version and it is a paperback this time. Now, although this is a Christmas book, we've got lots of different sections and there's lots of recipes in here that you're going to make in January, February and beyond. Some beautiful main course meals, which are just brilliant family recipes that you're going to love, desserts that you can make all year round, and some great ideas for little nibbles, party foods and starters in here as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about what's inside the book. As you can see here, I've got the video links, which are the QR codes, which you can scan and easily go to the videos. So if there's something you're not sure on in the method, it's very, very easy to be able to go and watch the video. So we've got in the front here, I've got ideas and planning ahead at Christmas, how to use your Ninja Foodi at Christmas, and we've also got a meal plan idea. If you're planning something for Christmas Day, it just gives you an idea of what you could put together. You'll see in the front here, you've got the useful information, which just tells you a little bit about the icons that I've got here, whether something's vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free or dairy-free. So the first section is party food, and we have a nice big selection there of different things you could make. These are sort of nibbles, canapes, but definitely you could make these as starters, and you could even change this up and make these into lunches because they're more of the smaller dishes. So I've got everything from sausage rolls. Oh, this is beautiful. The honey roasted peanut boursin. Pork belly bites. Oh, my spiced onion chutney. That is a definite make for anybody because I use that in some other recipes throughout the book. And these bruschettas, I mean, I nearly ate the whole lot myself. Then we go through to starters. Lots of ideas there, from soups to pâtés, and I've got a camembert, beautiful salmon vol au vent and some baked mushrooms. Then we've got the Christmas dinner section. Now this is for all of your side dishes that you might want to make for Christmas Day, but of course you could make these for New Year's and use these recipes again and again when you're doing a roast dinner at other times. So Yorkshire puddings, roast potatoes, carrots, sprouts, a whole cauliflower cheese. I've got stuffings, leek gratin, parsnips. There is so much in here. And then come the main courses. And as I was explaining, you can make these at any time, but I've got you covered with a turkey crown and also a nut roast for anybody that is veggie. We've got roast beef, salmon en croûte, gammon, a Christmas pie, which is lamb and it's absolutely beautiful, festive chicken parcels. But again, these, are for Christmas, but they can be made anytime as an alternative to a roast. A crab mac and cheese, which is so indulgent. Desserts and sweet treats. We've got everything from your traditional Christmas pudding, but also a nice bit of chocolate in there with a chocolate and Bailey's cheesecake, a bread and butter pudding that's made special. And I'm using all the functions. We've got lots of air fryer recipes in here, but I'm also using bake and steam roast and dehydrate. So it's kind of making the most of your Ninja. And then of course I had to have some leftover recipes in here because after Christmas, you just don't want to waste any of that great food that you've made. So there's lovely things like turkey croquettes. There's some bakes as well, pies and toasties, pasta dish. And then very last of all in the book, I've got some beautiful Christmas drink ideas. Again, we're making these in the Ninja Foodi, from mulled wine to hot chocolate. There is a bit of everything in here. By pre-ordering your copy, you can get one for just $16.99. And I'm also doing a special bundle offer. So if you haven't got my first book, which is 99 Ninja Foodi Recipes, then you can buy it together with this one. Not only do you get the special pre-order price on this book, you get £5 off the other book as well. So it's well worth doing if you haven't got the first book. So I hope this video has made you really excited about getting your copy and looking forward to doing all of that Christmas cooking. I absolutely love the build up to Christmas. Christmas Eve is my absolute favourite, and it's just purely because I get to spend the day in the kitchen making the most delicious food for my friends and family. Thank you for watching my quick video, and don't forget to head over to my website to grab a copy. That's www.susannaskitchen.uk.